Super Yoshi dirumorkan akan ditarik ke RRQ Hoshi. Dan begini tanggapan dari Super Yoshi yang sempat ditanya soal hal tersebut. Menanggapi rumor panas ini, Super Yoshi sempat ditanya mengenai kemungkinan dirinya ditarik ke RRQ Hoshi.
You want here?
Yeah, we're good here. I mean, not arrogant or anything. Just saying we're in good condition here, so already good.
You don't want go Indo?
It's okay if needed, but if Indo, I think hard.
Why? You need to adapt more?
No, because maybe in Indo, possible they want me to speak in Bahasa.
Oh.
And this one here English, right? I mean I can English as long as you understand me. But if Indo, I think hard because in there I will be the one
it
that
means
is-
you don't want to learn bahasa.
I want to learn, but it will be hard since let's say I will be transferred there. Let's say now. Then I need to learn Bahasa in just a couple of days. I cannot.
Kan, after school.
Do you think it's that easy? Or let's say you learn Tagalog, and
Yeah, I
after
can.
5 days,
I can.
you need poems in Tagalog. You think you can?
Yeah, can.
No, because you're golden, Anjing. I'm Romer. Romer needs to talk.
Eh,